Welcome back to Speak Like a Native Part 2. Today I've got 5 English phrases that native speakers use every day, but they're hard to learn from a textbook. These will make your English sound supernatural and confident. Phrase number 1, it is what it is. This is used when something isn't great, but you accept it. Example: the flight got delayed again. Ugh, it is what it is. It's like, we can't change it, so let's move on. Phrase number 2, I'm good. Be careful. This doesn't mean I'm a good person. It means no thanks or I'm fine. Example: want more coffee? I'm good, thanks. Simple, polite, and very native. Phrase number 3, fair enough. This means, okay, I accept what you said. It shows respect, even if you disagree a bit. Example: I just don't think it's worth the money. Fair enough. Phrase number 4, kind of, kinda. Used to soften a sentence. Example: are you hungry? Kinda. A little bit. Do you like that show? Kind of, but it's weird. Very common in spoken English. Phrase number 5, that's on me. A casual way to say it's my fault. Example: why didn't we bring the tickets? Oops, that's on me. It sounds humble, casual, and native. These phrases are short, powerful, and super native. Practice them this week and listen for them in shows or podcasts. Let me know in the comments which one was new for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more real-life English.